Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, class number 10, exercise number 2, problem number 6. Question number 6. The given data is: a student noted the number of cars parking through a spot on the road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized this in the table given below. Number of cars 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. Frequency 7, 14, 13, 12, 20, 11, 15, 8. Find the mode of the data. For this problem, we need to find mode. So mode, what is the formula for mode? Mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. So here L, what is L? Lower boundary. F1 means frequency of the model class. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Next F2 means frequency of the class succeeding the model class. H means height of the. Now number of cars we are taking as a class intervals. Frequency as usual we are taking. In the frequency, what is the maximum frequency? Highest frequency is 20. So that one we are taking as F1. Now this column underline it. 40 to 50 is the model class. So what is model class here? Model class equal 40 to 50. Next we need to find lower boundary. So that model class lower limit and the preceding class upper limit we need to take. So L equal lower boundary, that equal lower boundary means 40 plus 40 by 2. 40 plus 40 is 80 by 2. 2 1 are 2 40 is 80. Next F1. What is F1? F1 means frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class. So what is the frequency of the model class? That is 20. Next F0. F0 means frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding the model class, that is 12. So here we are taking this is F0. Next F2. So what is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class. So that equal, so succeeding the model class means this frequency next class, that is F2. We are taking as here 11. Next H, size of the model class. Size of the model class. So that equal size of the model class. How we have to get the difference we need to take. Lower limits I am taking 10 minus 0, that is 10. Now this all values we are substituting in the formula, we are getting the mode. So mode L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value how much we got it here? 40 plus F1 value is 20 minus F0 value is 12 by 2 into F1 value is 20 minus F0 value is 12 minus F2 value is 11 into H value is 5. Sorry, H value is 10. Here H value is 10. That equal 40 plus 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 value 8 by 2 into 20. 2 into 20 value is 40 minus 12 minus 11. Both are minus. We need to add minus 23 into 10 as it is. That equal 40 plus 8 into 10 80 by 40 minus 23. 40 minus 23 value is 17. 17 table we have to cancel. 17 1 is 17. 17 4s are 68. 68 means 12 remained. Point you have to take 0. 17 7s are 119. 119 means 1 remained. You can take here point is there. 0 you have to take. It is not possible with 17 table. Again here you have to take 0 and here take you can 0. So 17 5s are 85 means 40 plus 4.705. So 40 plus 7.405 is 44.705. That equal 44.7 up to 1 decimal place I am taking. So here we got the mode is 44.7. We used the formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H is the formula. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.